In a quiet city apartment, a couple confronts a sudden miscommunication that threatens trust. They try a pause and reflect ritual, giving space before replies and choosing words with care. During the pause, each writes needs, then reads them aloud without judgment, turning accusation into clarity. When they speak, they highlight shared values, acknowledge hurt, and design a plan to prevent future misunderstandings. Within days, small repairs build trust, showing resilience grows from listening, timing, and honest repair. The story becomes their daily reminder that thoughtful pauses and collaborative repair outlast heated impulses.